This is a Fiido D11 electric bike. It has a throttle on the right side, but I want to move it to the left. Unfortunately, the throttle is an integrated part of the brake lever, so I bought this separate throttle. The problem is that it doesn't fit directly into the Fiido bike. The connector is the same, but the wiring is different. So I need to figure out Fiido's wiring, open this throttle and rewire it. By opening it, we can see how this throttle is wired. Inside the device, there should be a Hall sensor, a small black component with 3 wires coming out of it. Once I expose the sensor, I can easily find out the wire order using a multimeter. The Fiido throttle has 3 wires, 1 signal wire and 2 for the 5V power. As you can see, I only need to swap the position of 2 wires. Why do I want the throttle on the left side? That's because I had an accident with my bike. I was riding my bike using the throttle, and suddenly an angry dog attacked my bike. My right hand was on the throttle and I made a full brake with my left, which controls the front brake, and I flew over the handlebar. I tested different throttles previously. I first tried a twist throttle. It gave great speed control, but the bike tended to run away when I pushed it by the handlebar. I also bought another thumb throttle, but it didn't fit on the handlebar. It was too wide. Otherwise it was good. Then I found this narrow one, which fits perfectly on the left side next to the control panel. It's not the best for fine speed control, but it's the only one that fits the Fiido. Now I'm testing it with a 5V power source and a multimeter. It works well, giving an output voltage between 0.8 and 4.2 volts. And in real use, the throttle works great. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.